Hey everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about how you can create your own chat with the Midjourney bot. So as you can see, it is amazing being in these newbie rooms because you get to see what other people are creating. You get to look at their prompts, and it's amazing to learn from other people. But it can get quite noisy. You can lose your work, and it's nice, for you to just be able to chat with just you and the bot. So what you need to do is if you come up to this green plus sign and let's click it and it's add a server. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the create my own, and then we are going to do for me and my friends. So we are going to call it AI Infinity Server, as that is the name of our channel, and we're going to press create. So as you can see, we are now in our own chat room, but what we need to do is we need to now add the Midjourney bot. So I'm going to go back to the Midjourney server, and I am going to add the Midjourney bot to our new room that we've created. So what I'm going to do is add, and then I'm going to do select a server, do our AI Infinity, press continue. I've got to press the authorize button here, click that I am human, and amazing success. It has been added to my own server. So I'm going to press the go to, and here you go. You can see that I am now just talking with the Midjourney bot. So it's going to be less noisy. It's going to be all of my creations all in this one room. So it's nice and simple, guys. And then, you can just chat with you and the Midjourney bot. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel grow so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.